Yeah, hello guys. Are you ready to receive huge? Yes, this is another one coming up again. How you can use bailiff to attract money in any currency, be it naira or dollar. So any amount you want, these are going to use bailiff to attract money, and that's what this today's topic is all about. Yes, how you can use bailiff to attract money. The best way you can use bailiff to attract money. So if you are not ready to receive huge, please skip this video. It's definitely not for you. But if you are ready to receive huge amount of money this month, definitely this is for you. Okay, the universe got your back. You don't know, you don't how the money will come is none of your business. All you have to do is to just make the wish and leave the rest for the universe to decide. Money can come from anywhere. It doesn't have it now. You don't know how you're going to have it. Does not mean universe cannot create a way for it. Okay, so that's what this video is all about. How you can use bailiff to attract money. Of course, you can also use bailiff to attract other things. If you guys are also interested in that particular one, let me know. Okay, so that's what this video is all about. Yeah, now let's go there. The how is none of my business. It is for the universe to decide. You can see the way you are speaking, you see the smoke will have to be moving. The universe will decide how this money will come. So I want to make millions. I want to make 1 billion this month. 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 So let the money come from east, west, north, south, from even where I least expected. Let the money, let it come from anywhere. Let this money come from anywhere as gift in any genuine way. I can win lottery to have this money. I was born with the spirit of seeing. That's why people call me the seer. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself. Yeah, hello guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you according to the time you are listening to this video. Guys, today we'll be looking at how you can use bailiff to attract money. Yes, by might of poverty, by special grace of Almighty God. Okay, by might of poverty. All you are going to need you're going to need belief. Going to need belief. Okay, belief. If you cannot get the fresh one, can get the dry one. Don't need belief. So the next item you are going to need any type of essence at all. Okay? Any type of essence at all. You're going to need one. Two, three. You are going to need three of this. Okay, you need three of this. You are going to need three of this. You keep it. Then a single of this belief. Keep it. Now make sure before you do any of this thing, okay, make sure you've taken your bath, yes. Because you've gone out, you've mingled with people, you don't know who you have checked, what the person is someone had to do. The people you have checked, the people you communicated with, you don't know the kind of energy they carry. So that's why it's very much advisable before you know this. You have to take a warm bath, okay? Make sure you have taken your bath before doing this. You can do this in the night and you can do this in the morning. But me most time, preferably I like doing it in the morning, early morning around like 4, 5 in the morning where I've not talking to anyone. I know that yes, all the energy of yesterday I've already it away. So I've taken my bath, I'll go asleep. So when I wake up in the morning, I can do this. So all you are going to do is to just get one of these, okay? Then after you've gotten one of these, okay? For example, now maybe is the money I need. Maybe I need like maybe say I need like 1 billion naira, for example. Maybe say I need 1 billion naira. So I will write one with my pen, okay? So get the pen I can write very well. I'll write one. I'll write 1 billion. Okay, that is 9 zeros. I'm going to put 9 zeros. So it's supposed to be here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, copy it. So 1 billion. Now this is 1 billion, right? Then the next question, I go to ask yourself, 1 billion what? So naira. So if it is naira, I'll put the sign of naira here. That is 1 billion naira. Just in that, write 1 billion naira there. Then this in a 1 billion naira, I've written the amount. Okay, 1 billion naira, I've written the amount. That is in dollar. Then I can write I want. See that I write I want. So the next thing now, I can write my name here. I want. Using number. Then I can just put the naira sign 3 times. I'm going to put the naira sign 3 times now. Like 2, 3. See that. Then I also want to attract in dollars, so I'll put the dollar sign. Also put the dollar sign. So put the dollar sign 3 times. Okay. So then in the bank, I will specify when did I want this money this month. See? So I'll make it in this month. So this month. Put this month.
Only my baby.
This month, okay? I'll put this month here. So this month, so which month is that? We're in August, so I'll write August. Now write August. See that? This month August. This month August. After when I'm done writing all this, you can see. Right? I see that. You can see. When I'm done, I wrote 1 million naira. Yeah, 1 billion naira. I wrote 1 billion naira. I see I want. Then I wrote naira sign 3 times. Then I wrote dollar sign 3 times. As I want the money both in naira and dollars. I have to specify when I want this money this month. Okay? If you like, you can add your birthday. Yes, if you like, you can add your birthday, but the universe knows you better than you know yourself. But if you like, you can add your birthday. But to me, it's not that necessary. Because the universe knows you more than you know yourself. I need the money this month. I want 1 billion naira just this month. Because you have to give timeline to the universe. This is the time you want it. Though the universe can decide otherwise, okay? So, but you have to give time. Simple important. And the universe know how fast you want this, okay? The way you are done, then the next thing I'm going to do, okay? Honey, don't I just finish this one? I lay this one aside for future work. I'll just use it to touch the front. Then I'll turn it to touch the back. I will need to touch these things. I'll touch it three places. Each one three places. See that? Then the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to light up my incense. I'm going to light up my incense, so I'll just put them together. Yeah, I'm going to put. See, my incense is set. So the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to light up the matches. Light up the matches. Turn this is. Casting this. Okay. Okay, the next thing now, I'm going to roll this. See that? I'm going to roll the bay leaf that I've written my wishes. Oh, I'm going to hold it. I'll hold it here, and then I'll keep making my prayers. I want 10 billion naira this month. I don't care how the money will come. The how is none of my business. It is for the universe to decide. You can see the way you are speaking, you see the smoke will have to be moving. The universe will decide how this money will come. So I want to make a million. I want to make 1 billion this month. 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 So let the money come from east, west, north, and south, from even where I least expected. Let the money, let it come from anywhere. Let this money come from anywhere as a gift in the energy way. I can win lottery to have this money. So it's left for the universe to decide how the money will come. All I want is 1 billion naira. I want 1 billion naira this month. August 2022. My name is this. My name is Sia. My name is Elekoge. So make the wishes. After you've made all your prayers on it, then you hold it. Then the next thing now, go down. The next thing, after you have made all your wishes on it, the next thing is burn. To burn it. Okay. Burn it in the middle of those. All the part of it, everything burned to ash. Okay. Finish my part of it, everything is burned to ash. Okay. So I'm very sure like I said, keep making my wishes. So everything burned to ashes, okay? That's it. Everything has burned to ash. So all you have to do is to just pack everything together. Go and dispose it in any way it's been. Just go it aside and put it in your palm, then blow it away. then it is done. Anything you did not understand, ask questions and I'll get back to you. See you guys in the next video.